This is how we do it. This is how we do it. La, 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 la.
Okay, a lot of people have this problem. I don't know if you can see it that good, the sun's glaring right at us. But with mold and mildew on the vinyl fences or the side of your house, you get mineral deposits if the sprinkler keeps hitting it. So what I tell people to do is use this or Clorox cleanup. And let's see if I can get Sandy to hold the camera. You just spray it down. Now, of course, to do 100 feet would take a long time. And I try to do this when it's raining, or if it's going to rain within an hour. And of course, this is on there so bad, so long, might take 2 applications. It's already starting to come off, but just take a look at this. It just loosens it right up, and that's it. You don't need a power wash, you don't need to do anything, but you just let this stuff work, usually a few minutes to an hour depending on how bad it is, and it comes off. So what it will do is, I'm going out to do a little errand. I'll come back in a little while and we'll see what it looks like.
This is how we do it. This is how we do it.
I want to follow up on this. It's been about 4 hours that I've been gone. It did not rain. If it had rained, this would be really good. Over here, but you could see the difference, how this is. Now granted, I'm not saying anybody should just go around with a spray bottle, but they do have those sprays that attach to your back. If we do lawn care, you could fill it with that and it'll be fine.